welcome to our channel. In this episode, we dare to step foot on the most dangerous islands, where danger lurks around every corner. Buckle up and join us as we uncover the secrets of these perilous paradises. Our first stop takes us to Smade Island, also known as Ilha de Queimada Grande, is a treacherous island located off the coast of São Paulo, Brazil. This isolated landmass is infamous for its dense population of golden lancehead vipers, making it one of the most dangerous islands on Earth. These snakes, known for their potent venom, pose a serious threat to any living being that dares to step foot on the island. Situated on the island of Molokai in Hawaii, Kalaupapa holds a haunting history. It served as a leper colony, where individuals with leprosy were forcibly isolated from the rest of society. Surrounded by towering cliffs and the vastness of the ocean, Kalaupapa became a place of exile and refuge for those afflicted by the disease. Today, the island is a National Historical Park. Off the coast of northwest Scotland, Gruinard Island carries a dark and dangerous legacy. During World War II, the island was used for secretive biological warfare experiments involving anthrax. As a result, Gruinard Island remained contaminated and uninhabitable for several decades. However, extensive decontamination efforts in 1986 made the island safe for public access once again. In the vast expanse of the South Atlantic Ocean lies Bouvet Island, one of the most isolated and foreboding places on Earth. This uninhabited volcanic island presents an inhospitable environment, with icy conditions and treacherous cliffs. Its remote location and harsh weather make it a challenging destination for explorers. Nestled in the Bay of Bengal within the Andaman and Nicobar Islands chain, North Sentinel Island holds an air of mystery and danger. It is home to the Sentinelese tribe, one of the last remaining uncontacted tribes in the world. The Sentinelese people fiercely protect their isolation and exhibit hostility towards outsiders. As we conclude our exploration of the most dangerous islands in the world, we are reminded of the delicate balance between beauty and danger that exists in these remote locations. They serve as a testament to the resilience of nature and the human spirit. If you've been captivated by the allure of danger and the mysteries that surround these islands, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more thrilling content.